Hello everyone, this is part 6 of our video series. So in this particular tutorial, we are going to learn how to actually write references for your paper or for your report in LaTeX. Okay, so as you can see that these are some references, and in each reference you have the author names, you have the paper title, then you have like a journal name, then journal page number, volume number, date, publication date, and many other things. And doing this for hundreds of articles is no joke. It's not a very easy thing to do. Okay, so now we also use these references in different places. For example, as you can see here, let me go up. As you can see, we have used references right here. 43, 47, we have used references right here, right? So if I click here, it will take me to 49 like this. So how do we do all of these using LaTeX? Actually, it is extremely convenient in LaTeX to do these things. I will now give you a few examples. For example, let me go to my LaTeX document. So let me first do one thing. Let me zoom in here. So in this very simple document, I have created two references. And in the introduction section, I have referred to both these papers. Okay, let me actually compile this again. So I have created two references, as you can see here. One is this, and one is this, right? Now, previously, I know that you saw something else right here, which is a different type of referencing style, and I will talk about that in detail gradually. But first of all, let's talk about this one. So how do we create these references, and how do we create these references, right? Let's talk about that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to actually make a bib file right here. So this bib file can have any name. I have called it refs.bib. So you can just create new file, and you can just write refs.bib right here. So inside here, you can see that I've put some text like this. So how did I actually do this? So let me show you for this particular paper. So this is the paper name. This is the paper name, and let me Control C this, and let me actually. So you have to go to Google Scholar first. Search Google Scholar. Go to Google Scholar. After going to Google Scholar, just like type the name of the paper. So it's now here. So you can see that there is a side button right here. So I will click on this button. There is deep text right here. I will click on deep text, and there you go. So I can just Control A to select everything. Then I can do Control C to copy this, and I will simply paste this right here. Okay, so you can simply paste this right here. So here you can see that there is this particular thing. This is basically the identifier. So every citation that you actually give here will have a unique identifier. I mean, by default, they are unique. I mean, if you're copy pasting from Google Scholar, they are indeed unique, but you can change them. You can change them as well according to your own need, and that is completely fine. Now, how do we refer to that? We have to write cite and then the name of the paper identifier, right? So that means here it will be December, since sequencing data arises from PCR, and then this is the first reference, so it will be 1. Sorry, it's 2. Yeah, it's 2. And then the next one will be 1. So according to these references. Okay. So how do we tell LaTeX that this is our reference file? Very simple. We just write bibliography refs. So refs is the bib file name. Next is bibliography style. So this is very important. So here we are actually using 1, 2, 3, this kind of referencing style. So we are using a plain style. And for referencing, we need a package called netbib. So that I have also imported here. So that is all about referencing. Now let me show a different type of referencing, which is the author year style. So let me go here. Let me compile it again. I'll show you what's happening. So you can see now I am having the author name and date in my reference instead of the number, and there is nothing numeric in the references. So this is a different type of referencing style, and in order to achieve that, I have just used plain nat right here. Previously I used plain, now I have used plain nat right here. So these are the two main styles. There are other styles as well. You can look into those, but this is how you would do it. You would fill in this bib file, and you would link the bib file like this. You would select referencing style, and then you will just use cite. That is all about the references. So hope this video helps you to reference other papers properly. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.